Hello, today we're riding up the Col Du Galibier, reaching a height of 2,642 metres. That's 8,668 feet above sea level. Sit back and enjoy the ride. 1976, this tunnel was the only point of passage at the top, at an altitude of 2,556 metres. The tunnel was closed for restoration until 2002 and a new road was constructed over the summit. The reopened tunnel is a single lane controlled by traffic lights, which are among the highest such installations in Europe. As I arrive at the summit, it's time to admire the view. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please click on the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, then please do so. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it does help my channel grow. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, remember, click on that like button and click on the bell for notifications of more of my videos. So until next week, when it is the Col du Telegraph, bye!